Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change username on Reddit. First things first, first things first is open the app, and then from here at the search bar, you're gonna see your profile. Click on it, the circle one, and from here you're gonna click on my profile, and then from here click on edit, and then at the display name you will have a customized name. You can also put about you and your social link and click on save once you're done. And then there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.